Hello YouTube and welcome back to Maya's Bug. In this episode, I will be taking care of these ugly blue seats and I'll be using the Dupli-Color Vinyl and Fabric Spray Paint to turn them black. I got these seats for a very reasonable price of $0, so I'm not really worried about the quality of the finish or how long this finish will last, but I would like them to just look black and to last for a decent amount of time, maybe a year. The first thing I'm going to do is get out my shop vacuum. The cat has been laying on these seats, so I need to get all the hair off and get all the dust and debris out of the seats before I put any kind of finish on them. Next, I'll be getting out my rubbing alcohol and scrubbing down all of the exterior vinyl, the smooth surfaces, and making sure everything is really clean so it gives it the best chance for it sticking. I'm not going to get crazy with this and start scuffing or scotch-brighting the outside layer. I just want to make them black, and if they get scuffed here and there, I'm not worried about it. I gave it about 15 minutes for the alcohol to flash off, and then I shook my spray paint can and I went to work. This is the Dupli-Color Vinyl and Fabric Paint, or some people say that it's a dye. It is intended for carpets and interior panels, things like that. This is the flat black, and I'm just going around and doing a real light tack coat over the entire outside vinyl surface. For the fabric portion of the seat, I'm going to do very heavy layers of the dye or paint, and I want to make sure that this paint soaks in as deep as possible into all the fibers. That way, whenever I'm sitting on these and I'm moving around and I'm wearing the seats down, I don't get blue exposed. I only purchased 1 can per seat, so I wanted to make sure that I got all the vinyl full coverage black before I really soaked in the fabric portion. So now that the backside is fully black, I went and I just did quadruple layer of really heavy coats over the fabric portion. Since I had 1 can per seat, I made sure to use the entire can on this seat. And I think the results speak for themselves. It came out really nice. The next day, I decided to do a very light durability test.